Kiwi birds. Description: approximately the size of a chicken, kiwis are the smallest living ratites. The kiwi bird's egg is one of the largest in proportion to its body size, up to 20% of the female's body weight. Kiwi birds are flightless. Behavior: the kiwi is a very shy bird and tend to move quicker when they feel that there's a predator around. They are also nocturnal. Diet: kiwi birds are omnivores. They eat worms, berries, seeds, leaves, fungi, frogs, crayfish, and coral. They have also been known to eat eels and tuna in captivity. Habitat: kiwis are native to New Zealand and are very adaptable and can live in forests, farmland, sand dunes, snowy tussocks, and mangroves. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more of my videos.